Hello there, my name is Jack Thompson with Spartan Storm Shield. I'm here at Jim Ogren's house, 2576 West 10th Street in Cleveland, on one of the damaged slopes here, and just want a video of repair attempt just to see if the roof is going to be repairable or not, even if the shingle product's available. So I just wanted to take a video of myself doing that repair attempt to see what we see. I apologize, we're on a steep slope and it's losing a lot of granules, so I'm working off of a pitch hopper below me. I'll do my best to show you guys the video what's going on. I'll be using a trowel, roofing trowel, to unseal the shingles to be as least intrusive as possible. I'll get the nails out with a nail retriever the same way they came back in. Again, in order to get the nails back out, as opposed to even using a flat bar, this is going to be a much more surgical tool to use. And then I'll obviously have to get some clearance on the shingles when I go, when the 8 nails come out, new nails come back on. This is the shingle I'm going to take out right here. I took a before picture, I'll take some after picture so you can see this shingle here, 1, 2, 3. So I'll have to unseal the nails 1, 2 courses above, going all the way across in order to get this shingle out. So, and then I'll install that new shingle over there just to see what happens with the adjacent shingles, if there's any incurred damages taking place or whatnot. So I'm gonna set this phone down so I don't fall off this roof. I have 3 kids at home, so I'm gonna try to be safe. But obviously I want to get you guys the information you need. How about I set this right here on the window while I work, and then I'll show you guys what I see as I go along. So, unsealing the shingles with the roofing trowel. Just want to show you guys the condition of the roof here. Even just by unsealing that shingle, you're already losing a lot of granules. It's not ideal for repairing roofs. All right, I'm gonna go in and retrieve these nails, taking them out the same way they came in. Ow. Sorry. This does not feel good on my knees. Okay. One more nail to come out. There you go. Sure. Good. All right, all the nails are out. I guess I could do it like that. So this thing should just slide right out. Oh, we missed one. Sorry. Right on the... I wouldn't put a nail that close to the butt joint, but we did. Sorry about that. Okay. Here's our old shingle. Put that off to the side. I'll slide the new one back up in here in the same spot. Put 8 nails across the 2 courses and see if there's any issues that we run into. Other than, like I said, there's excessive granule loss at this point too. New shingle. Ugh. Man. Sorry about that. Excuse me. Oh. All right, the new shingle is in there. Now, to put the nails where they need to go, on this first course above, I'll need a little bit of clearance so as not to hit the shingle with the hammer to put those nails in. And then I'm able to get these ones, see how the top row lifts up a little bit? It gives me a little bit more room to work, as opposed to on the top. I need to lift this even a little bit higher just to get that clearance to put that new nail in, okay? So that's the process. Oops.